Hello and welcome to Jordan Richard's YouTube channel. Today I'm doing something a little different. Never done it before. We had in England, we had a new warship made. So yeah, I'm going to have a look at that. So yeah, I'm going to have a look and do a video on it. So let's go. So it's a little walk down there, but I'm going to have a look anyway. They only take about 5 minutes to walk down there, so that's what I'm going to do. She is huge. The size of it, absolutely massive. I'm zoomed in the match, you can see people on the actual ship itself. Yeah, it's a real beast. There was helicopters on there earlier, but they have gone. See all the people working on there. I don't know much about the ships, but I know it's the new one out. They built. You see the little baby one there. See the size difference? Yeah. Close I can get to it anyway. Like I say, I'm zoomed in right to the max. With my camera, so that's a good distance away. Yeah, you don't see many on here. Yes, just see the size of it. Using a bit of focus there. Look at the size of that beast. Got your forklift and all that, well, your telehandler. Got your crane for things. Yeah, just people walking. There they are. Yeah, that's going to end it. I'm just going to take some pictures. So yeah, hope you like that little video. Just go back to my car now. About 5 minutes walk. It's just nowhere to park. So yeah, that's the warship. I would have got closer, but I couldn't find anywhere to park. Yes, in the evening, and I'm not going to pay for car parking for tonight, so I couldn't be asked. So yeah. I will see if I can get a bit closer in a minute, but I doubt it. Never mind. Just walk back to my car. I might see if I can get a bit closer action. Same with the helicopters are not on there. They're the war helicopters with the guns and all on it. But yeah, it was on there earlier when I saw them. But yeah. Camera gets a bit heavy, so yeah, catch you in a bit. There it is. This is from a different angle now, zooming right in. Get the focus, look at that, beautiful. What a beast. I saw the helicopters coming this way, so I'm hoping that's where they are. They got the wheels down, so hopefully they'll be landing here. So hopefully they'll land on it. It's looking like it. It's a bit windy, so excuse it. So a bit cold as well. There you go, practicing landing. Got the people there waiting for it. And there she is. Shame I'm not there when I'm over the other side, but zoomed in the max. Just gonna land. Sorry about the shakiness, the wind is really bad. Come on. Oh, don't lose focus. So sorry. If it keeps the focus, it'd be ideal. And there she goes, there she landed. Ah, fuck. There you go. Another one coming in now, look. Should have my tripod, it would have been a lot easier. What a lovely job. I wouldn't mind that living. Oh, don't lose focus. I think it's the wind's getting in the way now. Zoom back out. There she goes. Caught her landing. The wind's getting in the way, the camera don't like it much. I think that'll be it for that. Like I say, the camera don't like it. The wind, well, it's such a yeah, the lens is so sensitive on this camera. So it's the wind that loses focus when it's fully in. Yeah, so I've just caught that. I saw him as I'm coming home, and I thought, oh, he must be landing. So I thought I'd do a quick video quickly of that. So yeah. Fans just come on. But yeah, so that's that little video. I'm going to post that seatbelt just locked. So I'm going to do that one at the same time. I'm going to post that up now, so I'm going to edit it in a minute. So thank you for watching this video. I got 4 more videos to come out. This one's a better one though. You don't see that much. Well, I'm glad I caught it really. So yeah, thank you for watching again, and I'll see you in